They say that Biafra resistance fighter, they say they don't bring another oil pipeline. No, they say as we dey talk now, that one now they burn yata yata. No be small thing, no. As we dey talk now, they say wetin be their demand. They very simple. Make they reach the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My people, as we dey talk right now, one Biafra Liberation Army commander don still come send message, go give a hope Uzodinma to come to round table for peace. If not, things wey go dey happen for Imo State, nobody go fit talk about am again. No, as we dey talk, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. My wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, things are really happening. But however, let's quickly jump into the matter we will get for our hands today. And they say that another major oil pipeline has decimated by the Biafra resistance fighter today. Video coming soon. The demand remain that Nigeria must release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and other Biafra political prisoners, withdraw all Nigeria army and other force in Biafra land. No be small thing, no, as that one dey happen. Na Biafra Liberation Army commander wey dey call Holy Ghost come outside here, come send a message give to the governor of Imo State, which is Hope Uzodinma. So we go play you the video of wetin talk for here, and we'll come back, come continue.
The world may know that indeed there is light that darkness can never comprehend. We have come that the black race will be liberated. We have come that the black race may see light, may have good roads, that they may live comfortable, have good hospital, have running water, build better enabling environment. We have come that children will be rejoicing, adults will be rejoicing, graduate will have work, non-graduate will have work, those with grafts will have work. We have come that every living thing on the surface of this earth will enjoy peace, and that will be when Biafra is fully restored. And that is the reason God sent us to come and deliver humanity from darkness. We are the children of our Father. Then call us Biafrans. Those who doesn't know us, call us rebel. Those who does not know us, call us terrorists. Those who doesn't know us, call us criminal. Those who doesn't know us, call us warmonger. Those who doesn't know us, give us all manners of names. But we know who we are. And our Creator, Chukwu Kika Abiyama, that have sent us, know who we are. That was the reason He prepared us before we come. And now that we have come, we can never compromise. This evening, I'm here to tell you that it does not really matter whatever name you call us. But what matters is our mission must be accomplished. Our mission must be accomplished. And that mission is the restorations of Biafra. The redemptions of black race. The children of darkness have gathered in their numbers, thinking that they can stop us. But remember, we are the air you are breathing. They never born you to stop us. The more you try, the more you will die. The harder you come, the harder you will fall. Because this is the land of our ancestors. In this part of the world, Africa, we were sent to deliver the black race. And there is nothing you can do about it. I'm here to tell you once again this night that we have crossed the line of no return. And so therefore, it is too late for you. The enemies of Biafra, it is too late for you. Saboteur of Biafra, it is too late for you. Therefore, allow me to tag the title of this evening discussion as in, it is too late to look back. It is too late to stop Biafra. It is too late, very too late, extremely too late. It is too late. Very, very too late. Very, very too late. It is like when you keep storing fuel in a room and eventually fire broke out in that same room that you have been storing fuel. Before you get water to quench that fire that have already catch up with fuel, believe you me, it is too late. It will be too late. That is exactly what is happening to Nigeria. It is too late to stop Biafra. So therefore, I will advise you to back down, give up, and save lives. Because the more you try to quench this fire, the more the fire will consume you. This Biafra fire that is burning, the more you try to stop it, the more it will consume you. For you to save your life, you have to back out. Tell UK, they supported Ukraine. Ukraine still now can never win the war against Russia. Now they have turned back to see if they can stop us. Tell UK that the worst is about to happen. And let them know that it is too late. Deliver this message to UK that we are here to restore Biafra. Nothing less, nothing more. If the UK like, may them carry Russia join body, may them carry Germany join body, may them carry every powerful people of nation join body. This is not 1967. This is 2024. The more they come, the more they will fall. We said it. Hope. Tell them to give you many machinery. Tell them to give you more sophisticated weapon. Ask them to give you the more current technology. Bring it down to the land of Biafra. You understand why the prophet was saying this is the last miracle. The last miracle, you are going to witness it in your eye. Some of you does not believe the prophecy. Some of you think that when we talk like this, it is us that is talking. You don't know that the spirit of Biafra, the creator, speak through us. The great man, the great prophet, the living hero, I've told you all that the world will witness the last miracle on earth. Some of you didn't believe. Some of you did not understand. And some of you that believe were doubting. Now let me explain to you. The great miracle is about to happen. The numbers of soldiers that the UK have already signed Trinity with the Islamic State of Nigeria to support them with weapons, support them with machinery to come and commit genocide again, and this time to wipe us out of the face of the surface of this earth. In the exchange of crude oil, our natural resources given to us by Chukwu Okike Abiama. God did not give us this gift for us to die. The gift can never turn to be a curse to us. This gift was a gift of blessing. And so the white men, the evil white men, UK and Britain, have vowed to destroy us in order for them to keep taking our resources. And now they have entered alliance with our enemy to give them weapon and machinery to come and kill us. Now I'm here to tell you, fear not. Fear not. I'm here to encourage true Biafrans never to be afraid. This is the last miracle. How will you know if God did not show himself that he is God? If they did not come with this thing and fail, how will you know how powerful Chukwu Okike Abiama is? If they did not come with this modern technology to fight us and Chukwu Okike Abiama, our ancestors would defeat them, how will you know how powerful your ancestors is? And that is why I tell you that is going to be the last miracle. Because the world will marvel. It will shock them. When they come and they fail, the way they failed in Owerri a few days ago, the way they have been failing in Okigwe, the way they have been failing in Anambra, the way they have been failing in Osu, Olust, the way they have been failing, they will keep failing. How will you know that your ancestors are still alive? That they have returned back to proclaim that which is rightfully belongs to them? If they did not come with all these things and see fall and see fail, and at the end, Biafra see emerge, how will you be able to worship this great God with all your heart, knowing that all the Jesus where they carry can't give you is ROC? It is a white man white man gods that they brought so that they will use to destroy you. How will you turn back to worship your creator with all your heart if they did not come with all these things and fail the way they have been failing? They have been coming and they have been failing. Do you know what they went with to Imo State, Owerri. Ask them. They don't want to. They don't want to report to. They don't want to report. The media, even soldier, Nigeria terrorist soldier, they don't want to report what they saw. They have locked up. They say no media should give out because shame will be too much. But whether they report, they don't report, we know that they use 2 tipper to pack their dead body. 2 tipper to pack their dead body. So many casualties that are still dying in the hospital. So many. But ask them, did they see what was fighting them? How many armor tanker they came with? How many tipper they came with? How many truck they came with? How many soldiers they came with? How many bullets they came with? Then start the fight from 12 o'clock afternoon, fight till 3 o'clock a.m. Because their mind was telling them, with all these soldiers, with all this equipment, with all these things that we hold, we are going to conquer them. We will destroy them. We will dismantle them. We will finish them. But shame them. The way they came was not the same way they run go. The number they came was not the same number they go with. The instrument they came with was not completed as they go. Therefore, and they are crying. See, tomorrow, some wish they couldn't have gone, but it was too late. Even the commander that lead the mission were nowhere to be found. We are everywhere. And I keep telling you, we are not afraid of anything. We have only one thing programmed in our memory. Only one thing programmed in our memory. And you can't change it. There is nothing you can do to change it. We were programmed before we come. We do not just come. We were programmed. And everything in our brain is Biafra, 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 Biafra. In the morning, in the night, in the afternoon, in the darkness, in the water, on the land, anything we think is Biafra. We do not think any other thing. Nothing matters to us. Nothing. It is Biafra. Do you understand that? When we tell you Biafra or Biafra, we mean it. When we tell you that nothing can stop Biafra, we mean it. We really mean it. When we tell you you cannot change our mind, we mean it. It does not really matter if we live or we die. What matters is Biafra. And as it was programmed in us, so shall we deliver.
Yeah, welcome back, my wonderful people. I know that a lot of people will be happy for this news because they say that is the only language where Nigeria government, if you understand, take respect and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and obey their court order. So many people will be happy for this. This is what should be doing now. Every pipeline, everything that concerns the government, it is something that they have to be feeling the pain so that they will listen and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But however, I don't be as he be and we don't bring and come. I want to share the video and also make sure say they follow this page and do not forget as well to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates as they hot. Okay, my wonderful people, we'll quickly see you for the next update. Don't forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section. We'll be there and we'll chat over there. Okay, see you for the next update. I see the hot.